So to find the resonance of this molecule, the first thing you need to do is find the Lewis structure. So that's what I did. I just listed the valence electrons for each one of these atoms, and then since it's a negative charge, I would add an electron because anions have excess electrons. So I added an electron to make 18 electrons. And so what you usually have to do for these type of molecules is link the carbons together. If you just have a bunch of carbons and hydrogens, just link the carbons together. And in this one, they actually tell you what to do. They give you that's a double bond here and a single bond here. And then you just fill in the hydrogens, and then if you count up the electrons, it'll become 18. And then you know if it's good if you minimize charges, right? Because you want the lowest amount of charges. Everything should have an octet, because that's how you get a more stable structure. And then, so it fits all those criteria. And now what we do is just find a resonance structure for it that's just as stable. And that doesn't break any rules or octets or anything. So what I can do is, if you see a lone pair and a double bond, what you can usually do is you can shift the lone pair into a double bond and shift the double bond into a lone pair. So I'm going to zoom out here, and then to show you that's what I did. So I made the lone pair here a double bond. I made the double bond into a lone pair. See, if I just made this a double bond right here, what would end up happening is this carbon, right, if the double bond was here, this carbon would actually be breaking the octet, because it'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that would actually break the octet if I made a double bond there. And that's why I have to move this double bond into a lone pair. Now, the reason why there's no other resonance structures is because the other ones would be breaking the octet. They'd be breaking, like for example, if I move this double bond here, I would break the octet rule, or I would have a plus formal charge, which isn't good. And you want to minimize the amount of charges you have in a structure, and so 1 is good. And so I hope that helped, and thanks for watching.